If you've lived your whole life being a good girl, trying to make sure that you do everything right by everyone around you, including your partner in your romantic relationship, only to find out that things don't actually work like they do in the movies and fairy tales where you meet your Prince Charming and live happily ever after. Maybe you've been hurt in the past, maybe you've realized that this method is your downfall, and sometimes giving somebody the benefit of the doubt isn't the best thing to do. Maybe you kept forgiving someone over and over and over until your self-worth was worn down and you didn't know what to do at that point anymore. You didn't really know where to go, and you spent so much time on a single person that you can't even imagine your life without them. I'm here to tell you that there's so much more out there for you if you give yourself the opportunity, and I'm sure that's nothing new for you to hear, but I know for sure if you're watching this right now that you could benefit from becoming more securely attached within yourself. What I mean by that is to stop being reliant on another person to make you feel safe and secure and loved and worthy, and do that for yourself. When you operate from this position, you are able to give grace more, but you also know where the boundaries are. You know where a person has kind of abused your kindness and where to draw the line. You will be okay with saying no to people and being able to stand your own ground when it's necessary. That doesn't mean you have to have a big personality and turn into some kind of Karen. It just means that you are able to do things from a healthy perspective instead of constantly feeling like you have to have the short end of the stick in order to make things work out. My name is Ellie, I'm a life coach, and I'm dedicated to helping women like you find the romantic relationships that they deserve. And the first step to that is building that confidence and the love that you seek in others within you. I have developed a program that is going to help you turn from that good girl who's always being wronged into the girl that knows her worth and things just seem to work out for her. I have a little bit of experience being in both positions, and I can tell you with certainty that it's so much better to have that stability in yourself and know that no matter what life throws at you, whatever the circumstances are, you're able to handle them correctly. And there's very little flaws and vulnerable positions in a negative context where someone can push on them and manipulate you into doing something that you don't want to do. If you want to see videos like this on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button so that I know to make more videos like this. And be sure to follow me on Instagram because I post impactful relationship advice that you can use today to improve your relationship. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my program.